How often do you feel you've left money or value on the table after a negotiation? My name is Francesca Gino. I'm a business school professor and one of the facilitators of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influence. I've been training executives on these topics for over 2 decades. For most of us, every deal is a balancing act of cost, quality, and relationships. But what if you could negotiate better outcomes without sacrificing any of these? Here are 3 tips to transform your negotiations. Tip number 1, lead with why. Before diving into price, ask the other side, why is this solution the best fit for us? This shifts the focus to value, forcing them to justify their offering, or often revealing wiggle room on costs or extras. Tip number 2, be comfortable with silence. Silence isn't awkward, it is powerful. After you make your ask, stop talking. Most people will fill the silence by revealing more than they planned, sometimes even offering concessions without being asked. Tip number 3, trade, do not take. Instead of hammering down price, offer a trade-off. What can we do to get this cost reduction? Faster payment terms, a longer contract? This approach preserves relationships while achieving your goals. Negotiation isn't just about getting the lowest price, it's about creating value on all sides. So next time you sit down at a table, remember, ask why, embrace silence, and trade wisely. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Check out the programs that Conti Advanced Business Learning offers. I've partnered with them because of their commitment to provide frameworks that are both useful and very practical, and that can truly amplify your ability to negotiate and influence effectively. I hope to work with you soon.